until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lookout Mountain to DeSoto State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Center Post, Crandall, Gibson, Subigna, Beaverdale, Villano, Cloudland, Dalton, James H. Floyd State Park, Plainville, Wood Station, Indian Springs, Varnell, Tidings, Somerville, Unlucky, Tilton, Lyerly, Ringgold, and Tayuya. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.